Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So last night my phone LCD is messing up. Like the color went light on the top and then it became like blurry. So I'm guessing it's time to change for phones now. So all right, so I went to T-Mobile um, to get a new phone. I'm going to stick with the Android because most of the games that I play, again, as some of you know, are not gonna be available on iPhone. So I'm gonna get the. At first, I was thinking getting the flip, but I changed my mind. I think it's like when I saw some of the advertisements with the fold one and how it, folds and folds to like a tablet type. I was like, I'll try this one. So I've never had like a phone with like, that unfolds and looks like a tablet. So yeah, earlier like when uh, the what do you call the sales associate or the retail associate already like assembled the Fold 7 earlier when I went to T-Mobile, but and then I was just transferring the data from my old S22 Plus going to the new phone. It took forever though. I'm guessing because I have so much memory that I use or in the storage. So it took a while. So these are like the boxes like are included in my purchase. Again, I have I think the Magenta plan for T-Mobile. So every 24 months, gets fully paid. I can upgrade to a newer phone. I can also have the option right now since I got this phone, the Fold 7, the Fold. I mean, that I can turn in the old phone I have to get some discount or promo discount, right? So this one, it looks like this if you unfold it. Yeah, you can see it's thinner, and then you can see the crease in the middle. Um, yeah, so based on the reviews that I saw, they were claiming that the crease on this phone is it's not as visible as the older model, like from last year. I'm guessing, or I'm not sure if it was the flip one. Because again, this is the fold one. There's also a flip, which is a flip phone. That one looks cool too. But again, it depends on what's your preference. Because this one, yeah, I probably just need to get used to this one because like the setup of the screen is different. So I'm not sure if I need to like buy like purchase some new theme specific for this phone, and it would probably more look natural. But again, I just probably need to adjust myself and having this type of model, uh, and I have to like reinstall all the apps. Yeah, whenever I pull this one, I'm still gonna be worried about like not the slamming. Um, when it folds, because I don't want to break the screen. But whenever it's unfolded, it looks like a regular phone though. This is camera at the back. There's three lenses over here. I'm guessing this has more better pixel quality and resolution also. Uh, I'm surprised that my old theme from my Samsung S22 still like works on this version. And these are like the package, like the protector, screen protector, and then the actual phone casing protector also in case I drop my phone. Yeah.